Let us take up a MCQ case study from the chapter number 1, Nature, Objective and Scope of Audit. Rohit, Gurpreet, Ali and Goretti are friends since their school days in Mumbai. They have cleared CA foundation exam in same attempt and now they plan to appear for CA intermediate exam. All of them are avid news listeners and regularly keep track of the business news even on social media. They are trying to understand new subjects including auditing. Rohit, Gurpreet, and Ali have also started attending live coaching classes being conducted by Board of Studies of ICI. Goretti was not able to join live coaching classes yet as she was away on a holiday with her parents, and however she plans to catch it up with her friends very soon. Ali has also joined the classes but he has skipped some lectures. So now these are the four friends there, which is there: Rohit, Gurpreet, Ali, okay, and Goretti. These are all four friends which are there, okay. So now they are attending classes. Okay, they're giving an introduction. During one informal get together, their discussion centered around new subject of auditing. They discussed many things regarding nature, scope, benefits, and other general practical issues. Goretti was regular in keeping the record of audited results of companies being published in the leading newspaper. Her view was that audited financial statement of a company give 100% guarantee. It gives a 100% guarantee to different stakeholders. It is the main reason behind so much reliance upon auditing, but she could not understand why wrongdoings in the financial matters are being discovered after many years have gone by. So what has happened? Our view was that company give 100% guarantee to different stakeholders. Now, when you say company is giving guarantee to different person stakeholder, now that statement itself is not correct. The reason is that it will give reasonable assurance. All material misstatement cannot be detected in audit. Okay. Ali has also concurred her view and added that when financial statements are audited, each and every transaction in the books of accounts are verified. So he could not give clarity to Goretti. So he's telling that we have to check 100%, each and every transaction is verified. Gurpreet of the opinion that the audit was conducted on the basis of sample checking. He was also viewed that the audited financial statements are not a guarantee against probable wrongdoings in the financial matters of the company. So Gurpreet has a different opinion. He says the sample checking being done. Was also viewed audited financial statement is not a guarantee against probable wrongdoing. It is not 100% guarantee. Not to be left behind, Rohit also jumped into fray. He supported Gurpreet and also added something of his own. So Gurpreet and Rohit are on the same page, whereas Goretti and Ali are on the same page. Let us see the questions. Gurpreet of the view that audited financial statements are not a guarantee against the probable wrongdoings in the financial matters of the company. What kind of assurance does the audit of financial statement provide? Here you have the different options of what are the assurance provided by the entity. So let us look at the various assurance actually here provided by the entity. First of all, it provides a reasonable assurance, that meaning at a moderate level of assurance. Second one, it provides a reasonable level of assurance, means a low level of assurance. Third one, it provides a reasonable level of assurance with a high level of assurance. And the last one, if you see the last one, it provides what you can say a reasonable level of assurance with a absolute level of assurance. See here, if you see, uh, in this case, auditing always provides reasonable level of assurance, and they have a high level of assurance. It cannot be an absolute level of assurance; it is a high level of assurance. So if you see, all the four option has got reasonable assurance, but moderate, low, high, absolute. So it is confusing the student. So reasonable level of assurance, high level of assurance. Option C is the right answer. Let us go to the next question. Question number 2. Rohit added that the auditor can force an employee of the company to provide him required information and document. Can he do so? No. He cannot. We cannot force an employee to provide the evidence. First option says yes, he can do so, so you don't have to read further. Second option says yes, he can do so. That is also not correct. The third option, no, he cannot do so. He can only request for providing him the necessary information and documents, but it cannot be forced by him. So you cannot force an employee to provide the audit evidence. It cannot be done. Let us see the last option. No, he cannot do so. He can has no right in seeking information and document. Therefore, question of forcing does not arise. Definitely, he has a right, but C seems to be more appropriate answer. He can request for providing the necessary information and documents. Okay, so definitely he has a right to secure the information, but force cannot be done. See, it is not a investigation. Next one, Ali has listened to one of the classes audit covers all aspects of the entity and concluded that each and every transaction of the entity is verified by the auditor. Gauriti also seemed to be in agreement with him, but she was of the view that besides this, it is also meant that audit should be organized to cover all aspects, all areas of the entity. Which of the following statement is appropriate in this regard? Only view of Ali is correct. No, Ali is not correct. Audit does not cover all aspects. Only view of Goretti is correct. The Goretti is also not correct. She is also telling that to cover all areas of audit. No. View of both Ali and Goretti is are correct. No. View of Ali and Goretti are incorrect. Both of them are incorrect. We don't check each and every transaction. Audit does not provide an absolute assurance. So both the views are wrong. So D is the right option. All of them also discussed about benefit of auditing. Which of the following is not likely to benefit of auditing? Since auditing is connected to future events, audited financial statement can easily be relied upon by the users. So first option itself is wrong because audit is connected to historical financial information. So here this clearly states that it is we are only checking the historical financial information. So audited financial information is relied upon cannot be relied upon the user. So A is the wrong answer. A is the answer for this. It is not the benefit of auditing. Errors of fraud and can be discovered during the audit. This is correct. Government authorities can make use of audited financial statement for different purposes like price fixation, decision making, policy decision. Yes, it can. Option number D. It can help in bringing out the deficiency in maintenance of financial records. So in this case, A is the right answer. A is not the benefit of auditing for future event, not related to future event. Goretti told her friend that she read a newspaper report about company had misled by its auditor of producing fabricated document. Which of the following statement seems to be appropriate in this regard? It was wrong on the part of auditor to rely upon fabricated document. He must have discovered it at the same it falls within the scope of audit. That is not in his scope of audit. Although it was wrong on part of auditor to rely upon fabricated document, he cannot do in this matter. He has to report on the basis of document provided to him. He has no duty in this regard. C. Auditor has to conduct audit exercising professional skill. He is not an expert in discovering genuineness of document. Hence, management consisting of dishonest person may have led him to rely upon the fabricated document deliberately. Now, C seems to be very appropriate answer. Management cannot mislead auditor due high level of knowledge and expertise possessed by him. The above outlier case is one of the rare odd cases. No. Here the option C is the right answer because auditor will exercise professional skill. He is not an expert in discovering the genuineness of the document. So, and management has misled the auditor. So, in this case, C is the right answer.